is a complete collapse of the education system in India, not because there is no opportunity, not because there is no need in the market, it's all because there is no focus on quality on one side. B is people have got into education with a very short-sighted view, which is the financial view. No one has got into education with the intent of creating entrepreneurs, creating skilled task force, creating intellectual, analytical thinking, application-oriented engineers, MBAs, XYZ. So it's basically, if they are not employable, that's the reason why these institutions have failed. And if you're looking at an approach to education, it requires something more than just a business perspective. And if you don't have it, don't do it. Because you will all go the same way the MBA institutes and the engineering institutes have gone in this country. You have opportunities for all level of investors over here. The first timers, with those who are looking at small investments with small capitals, want to go take it easy a bit, and also learn in the process of, how do I move to a higher education with larger investments. So you have preschool as a good opportunity. You can start with as little as 10 lakh rupees an investment. There are hardly any entry barriers. It takes hardly 3 months to set up a preschool. Of course, if you tie with some recognized brands in the market. There are attractive returns undoubtedly. Penetration in India is still as low as 4%, which means only 4% of preschool going kids subscribe to preschool education. There's still 96% of preschool going kids, they don't go to preschools, despite all the competition that we were talking about. It was hardly a 400 crore industry a few years ago, and it is about to touch a 5,000 crore industry very soon, just the preschool segment. For those who are looking at large ticket items, for those who have the appetite or want to get into the larger space, I would say high schools. You can start with as little as 3 to 5 crores. The perception is, to get into high schools, you need big money, you need big buckets. Yes, you do. But there are smarter ways of doing it. There are smarter ways of running it. You can come to a stall on 76A and we'll tell you how to do that. But you can start with as low as 3 to 5 crore, with doing full justice to every element of education the way it has to be imparted. It takes 12 to 18 months of lead time to start the school. It takes a minimum 3 to 5 years for gestation, as Mr. Rajiv Katyal said. It's not something that you should expect it on tomorrow morning on that. It takes time. It has a gestation period. But post 5 years, it starts generating very interesting figures for you to look at and appreciate possibly for a couple of generations to come if you continue doing a good job. But of course, there are challenges. So therefore, it goes with a word of caution. What are these challenges? Extremely competitive in certain markets. There is very little differentiation between one school and the other. Too much focus is on the infrastructure of the schools or on the administrative process of the schools. There's a very little understanding in this segment of academics and what is really schooling need and education in the market. There are too many price points operating. So in a preschool starts from 10,000 per annum to 5 lakh per annum. Shortcut will always have a short life in education. Be sure. You are aware about even big institutions which have tried to take a shortcut, and you know what the status of those institutions is today. In education, there is no shortcut. Whatever you see today in preschool is actually a creation of kangaroo kids in terms of student-child ratio, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of the way the entire teaching learning is done. And mind you, whatever you see in high schools also, from a boutique model perspective, I would say there are always the other ones which work on 5-acre, 8-acre, 20-acre land. We don't work on that model because we believe when you create, infrastructure at that level, unnecessarily 80% of the school fees goes in maintaining that infrastructure. Our focus is so much on academics. What we are saying is we are okay with the 1-acre, 2-acre building, but will ensure 80% of the fees goes in maintaining good academics rather than maintaining the infrastructure. And that's what has very clearly given us the positioning in the market. You work on 1 acre, 2 acre of land, focus on academics, don't focus so much, otherwise the entire staff focus also goes on managing the gardening, managing the hygiene, managing the housekeeping, and all those kinds of things, and your focus loses from academics as such. So I would say last steps, choose your sector wisely, do not look for shortcuts, credibility comes to services, and academics alone is not sufficient. Brands that understand parents and child operate the best, and brands that are loyal to the child are the ones that succeed.